Want to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress to supercharge your email marketing? Stick around because I'm about to walk you through exactly how to set it up step by step, and we'll get your system running smoothly in just a few minutes. First things first, Mailchimp is a fantastic tool for email marketing, and combining it with WordPress is a game changer. By integrating these two platforms, you can easily collect leads, build your email list, and stay connected with your audience. And the best part? It's completely free to start using this integration. If you want access to exclusive bonuses, check out the first link in the description. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you'll need is the Mailchimp plugin for WordPress. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and click on Add New. Search for the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin, install it, and then activate it. This plugin is going to bridge the gap between your website and your Mailchimp account, making it seamless to manage your subscribers. Next, you'll need to connect Mailchimp to WordPress. Once the plugin is activated, go to the plugin settings and look for the API key section. Head over to your Mailchimp account, click on your profile, and then navigate to Account and GT, Extras and GT, API keys. Generate a new key, copy it, and paste it into the API key field on your WordPress settings page. This step is crucial as it links your Mailchimp account to your WordPress site. Now that Mailchimp is connected, let's move on to the next thing. You'll want to create a sign-up form on your website so visitors can easily subscribe to your email list. From the Mailchimp plugin settings in WordPress, go to the Forms tab, where you can customize and design your sign-up form. Make it visually appealing and clear, offering an incentive for visitors to subscribe, like a free guide or special offer. Once your form is ready, it's time to embed it on your website. Go to any page or post where you want the form to appear and use the Mailchimp shortcode to place it. You can also add the form to your sidebar or footer using widgets. This makes it simple for users to subscribe from anywhere on your site. Next, let's talk about automating the email process. One of the powerful features of Mailchimp is the ability to set up automated email campaigns. Whether you're sending a welcome email or a series of nurture emails, you can automate these in Mailchimp. To do this, simply navigate to the Campaigns section of Mailchimp, choose Create Campaign, and follow the steps to design and schedule your automated emails. The integration with WordPress makes it easy for these emails to go out automatically when users subscribe through your forms. The fourth thing we need to cover is syncing your WordPress user data with Mailchimp. You can sync WordPress users with Mailchimp's audience list to make sure your email campaigns reach everyone who needs them. There are plugins that can automatically sync your WordPress user list with Mailchimp, so when someone registers on your site, they're added directly to your email list. Finally, let's check that everything is working smoothly. Once you've set everything up, visit your website, fill out the form, and confirm that your email is added to your Mailchimp list. You should also test your automated emails to make sure they're triggering correctly. And there you go. You've successfully integrated Mailchimp with WordPress, and now your email marketing is all set up to grow your audience. Remember, you can start using this software for free from the first link below with our exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for that extended free trial.